Welcome to my channel. This is Cesar Trader. Today I want to take trade trade. Let me just make it trade trade or five trade. Okay, five trade. So with good explanation. So you can see this very one. The market is not that okay, except you are good. You are very good in trading. Otherwise, the market is not that okay. So I want to place $10 each. And check this. Okay, this is minor uptrend. This is minor uptrend. Let's check our level. You see, this is our support area. It broke our support area. This is support area, and you can see this. It broke the support area. Okay, I just on this system. I just boot it, so it's my dad want to scan it. Do you get it? This is our support level. Our support level, and it broke the level. And I used to tell you 80% of breakout are fake, and can you see it? After breakout is supposed to continue, but because 80% are fake, do you see that bullish enters? Bullish enters. Otherwise, here is our this side. This place is our level. Do you see that it break it? It break our extreme level. This is the extreme level. Yeah, construction work is going outside. There is it. This is our extreme level. This is our extreme level, and this is our minor support level. And it broke both of it. And I told you 80% of breakouts are mostly fake, so you have to be careful. The next candle will determine which I'll place. Bullish, I place bullish here. Wow, see where I place it, but see where it's open. That's why I say this very market is not good, except you are experienced on trading. Except you are experienced on trading. So it shows that bullish want to continue the market. So let's check another pair. Let me check how many minutes. Okay, do you see this very one? Very quickly it finished and it enters again. So after this, I'm not trading this market. Let's look for another one. Okay, this one, this is our level here. This is a level, but it's not guaranteed. This level is not guaranteed. And let's check the trend, because trend is your friend. This is uptrend. This level is not guaranteed. You can't call this one resistance level. No, you can't call it a resistance level. So you can't call it don't worry, you can't call it a resistance level at all, because it's a weak level. So let's see. And let me check our resistance level. You can check your resistance level from here. We can check it. Okay, here I place here higher option. Why I place here higher option is because resistance level is far. I told you that here is not a level, so don't depend on this side. Don't worry, even you lost this market, no problem, but don't depend on this level. This level is not guaranteed. Do you get it? It's not guaranteed, so it can reject and go up before the time elapses. Let's check another currency. Wow, all this market and all that. Okay, so we can change it from 1 minute to, when you see market is not that okay, just change the minutes. Just change the minutes. You don't need to force market, okay? When market is not good, just goes out, leave the market. But because I promise I will make a 5 trade, so let me make the trade. So you can go for 5 minutes and increase the candle minutes. Can increase the candle minutes. Let's check another pair. I just want it to cover this place. Once it comes down, I'll place higher option, but let's just wait. I'm waiting for it. Once it comes down, I place higher option. Okay, it's not coming down. It's not coming down. Remember that the market is not that okay. Okay, the time has already expired. Okay, the time is very far. I just want to place a very quick time. So let me change this pair. Let me check USD. Okay, this is uptrend. This is bullish momentum, and it's almost on the sub resistance level. It's almost at the resistance level, because you have to identify your SNR. You have to identify your SNR. So it's almost. Okay, so let me make it $2 again. And make it $2. See, there's still a little gap. There's a small gap here. If you see a small gap, you just expect mostly this gap need to be filled. But network is not really good. Network is pretty bad. Oh, I don't really know the market condition. I will have placed bullish. So here I place higher option. Why I place higher option? I told you most time you see gap here, the market will try to fill this gap. Most time you see gap here, market will try to fill this gap. And I place the second trade again. So this is for it remain last trade. GBP. Okay, this is the last trade. Oh, purchase time 14 minutes. I didn't check it. So this one will stay very long, and I hate to trade a long trade. So let me look for short time. Okay, the time are very long now. The times are very long. So I will close it here. I hate trading long time. So here I will trade 5 minutes, and I will trade 10 amount. I want to trade $10, which I'll call it a day trade. Later I'll come back to this because I have some other, but this one also is purchase time 13. Oh, let's look for a lower purchase time. Purchase time also is higher. Let me see here. Purchase time are high, but here let me new option. Here you can see this area. We can call this area our support level. Okay, see, it's really jumping. That's why I told you earlier that this market is not that okay, but no problem. I'll trade it and I'll show you this is our support level. So we expect bullish to enter. we expect bullish trade. If you reject, I'll go for bullish. If you reject, so I go for bullish here because it goes up. Because if you check here, every time market reach here, it rejects. Market reach here, it rejects. So definitely here, it will reject and goes up. So I'll call it a day trade now. Do you see this? No problem. Before this purchase time end, it will goes up. This one will goes up. But I never knew the time is far. I wouldn't have trade in there. I wouldn't have trade. So this one I will call it a day trade. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The market is bad, so I can't continue the five trade. Whenever you try, you have determination on the trade and you open the market, you see the market is not good. What you have to do is just avoid the market. It's better to avoid the market than to lose your money, to put your money at risk. You know, I told you, yes, our support level. You see that it reject and you see another buyer going up. So thank you so much. I really appreciate. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share my channel. Your support will encourage me to do more. Thank you. Thank you. Is a trader. Yeah, I'm back. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. You see, you see, I placed two trade of $2 back then, and I left because of the time. Cause I never knew it was very far. The time is a long time, so I left it. I'll come back. Can you see it now? This is the true trade I placed now. I hope you can check back the previous and check when I place it and look at it very well and look at how the market behave, how the pattern was, everything remain, and you can see I left it and I comes back and it's in the money because I placed it two times. You remember I played the first one and I placed again because I know it will reject and the time is a long time which I have no idea of earlier, and I left the market. I will come back and you can see it's in money. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Please share and subscribe my channel. Your support will encourage me to do more. Thank you. Is a trader.